Trying to have ice chandeliers. Bystanders near saw me flash with the cash paradise in the mirror. Sights for my peers. I tell them short stories. Fam was like a failure.
So we're going to find the area. So find area between y equals e to the x and y equals e to the negative x. And over the interval x is within 0 to 2. Okay, so this is our lower and upper bounds. So let's just draw a graph real quick so you can get a visual of what this, oh, the line is very crooked. Okay, a visual of what that looks like. Okay, so we have e to the x, so that goes up and then crosses through 1, of course 0, 1, right? And then we have e to the negative x, which is coming down and crossing to the same point. Okay, so this is 0, so this is our x-axis, and it goes from 0 to 2, so let's say that's 1 and that's 2, okay? So we have 0 here, so from here all the way to here, so there's like an imaginary line going up and down, right? So we're evaluating between, this is e to the x, right? And then this bottom one down here is e to the negative x. Alright, so we have it like that. That's what we want to find, that shaded in area. So, as we know how to do, we will integrate. So the area is going to be the integral from 0 to 2 of the top function minus the bottom function. So this is going to be e to the x, and then minus the bottom function, e to the negative x, right, and dx. Okay, so as we simplify here, now we'll start using our knowledge of integrating e to the x. So we know that the integral of e to the x is just e to the x, and then minus, we write our negative e, or e to the negative x, and then times chain rule of that, right? Because we need that to reverse it into this. So anyways, so that's that, and then we're evaluating this from 0 to 2. So this is going to equal, this is the same thing as e to the x plus e to the minus x. So then from 0 to 2, and we get, so our area is going to be e to the e squared plus e to the negative 2, and then minus e0 plus e0, right? So this is going to equal e that, and then minus, and each of these is 1, so 1 plus 1 equals 2. Okay?